13 simple foods that will make your body gain volume faster. Did you know that certain lesser-known foods here in the United States can be real allies in increasing muscle strength for men over 40? I'll give you a heads up that the #1 food is a true discovery that no one usually reveals, but it could be essential for those seeking fast and efficient muscle strength. So stay tuned until the end so you don't miss this valuable tip. If you're looking for effective ways to improve muscle recovery, promote muscle growth, and gain lean mass, you're in the right video. Today, we'll reveal 15 simple foods that will make your body gain volume quickly and effectively. The best part is that all these foods are easily accessible for those living in the United States. Additionally, I'll share practical tips on how to use them to get all their benefits. Get ready to discover new allies that can transform your diet and enhance your results at the gym. Number 13. Tempeh. Tempeh is a fermented soy-based product that provides a rich source of plant proteins and probiotics for your body. This fermented food helps improve body function by speeding up protein digestion and nutrient absorption. Tempeh is an excellent choice for strengthening and recovering your muscles. Additionally, it's a nutritious and very healthy alternative, especially if you follow a vegetarian or vegan diet. The probiotics in this food aid digestive health, which is crucial for your body to have good nutrient absorption. An important tip is to consume this food in sandwiches or salads. Try grilling it in thin slices. Marinating it before grilling can enhance the flavor. This food is a great option for a healthy and nutritious afternoon snack, ideal for muscle strength gain. Number 12. Coconut milk. Coconut milk is rich in healthy fats and minerals like manganese and copper, which help in muscle recovery and provide energy for muscles during workouts. Additionally, it has a rich, creamy flavor that can enhance various recipes. It's a healthy option, especially if you're on a muscle-building diet, where you need to consume more muscle mass and many foods may lack flavor. Consider coconut milk as a good tip to use with these foods and add more flavor. The manganese in coconut milk is important for bone health, and copper helps with iron absorption, which aids in muscle health and strength gain. Coconut milk also helps with recovery and strength gain after workouts. A tip is to use coconut milk in smoothies, curries, or as a base for soups. Number 11. Peanut. Peanuts are widely used here in the United States as an excellent source of proteins and healthy fats, and they also provide vitamin E and magnesium. I always consume peanuts before workouts. I can confess that I'm addicted to peanuts before working out because they give me a boost. And you? Do you do that too? Peanuts are rich in important nutrients for muscle recovery and overall muscle function, and they have a pleasant taste that many people enjoy. They're also convenient to take anywhere, whether in your gym bag or even at work for an afternoon snack. Additionally, peanuts are rich in vitamin E, which helps combat oxidative stress, while magnesium contributes to your muscle health by aiding muscle recovery and strength gain during workouts. You can consume peanuts as snacks or in salads, or if you prefer, you can have peanut butter. I recommend that before buying peanut butter, check the nutritional information to know which additives and fats are present. I always recommend using the whole food for better absorption by your body. Number 10. Artichoke. Artichokes are rich in fiber, antioxidants, and minerals such as potassium and magnesium, which help your body in muscle recovery, strength gain, and improving food digestion. Additionally, they have detoxifying properties that benefit your muscle health and overall health, enhancing your body's well-being as a whole. It's important to note that potassium helps maintain electrolyte balance and muscle function. For better results in muscle recovery, I recommend cooking artichokes and serving them as a side dish or adding them to salads, especially after workouts, particularly if you're on a muscle-building diet. Number 9. Shrimp. Shrimp is a rich source of lean protein and contains essential nutrients such as vitamin B12, selenium, and iodine, which are important for your body. These nutrients found in shrimp are crucial for energy production and help the body function properly, as well as support muscle recovery and strength gain with workouts. Consuming this food will lead to faster muscle recovery after workouts and improvement in muscle strength. Selenium also has antioxidant properties that help reduce oxidative stress. To get the best benefits from shrimp, here's an important tip. Cook shrimp grilled or sautéed and add them to salads, pasta, or tacos. Use them along with other sources of creatine, like red meat, to maximize your results and get an excellent protein source. Remember to use it in your workouts, as this tip works very well for those who train for long periods. You can use shrimp in rice dishes or as a filling for wraps. Number 8. Chickpea flour. In addition to being an excellent alternative to wheat flour, chickpea flour is great for those looking to diversify their diet. Step away from the traditional chicken and fish and try something new. It contains amino acids that aid in muscle growth, with about 22 grams of protein per 100 grams. Proteins are crucial for building and repairing muscles, helping to maximize muscle growth after exercise. Chickpea flour contains about 10 grams of fiber per 100 grams, which aids in digestion and helps control appetite. In a weight loss diet, it can be a good option to maintain appropriate body weight and optimize muscle gain. Tell me, did you know about this? If not, leave a like. Number 7. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are one of the most well-known foods for being an excellent source of protein, healthy fats, and minerals like zinc and magnesium here in the United States. They contain important nutrients for muscle protein synthesis and overall muscle function, helping with muscle strength and recovery, especially in the process of muscle fatigue, which is very common after intense and prolonged workouts. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in zinc, which is essential for muscle recovery and growth, while magnesium helps maintain overall muscle function. You can mix them into salads or, like me, add them to creatine before workouts. They are also great as a crunchy snack. They can be used as a topping for soups and rice dishes, providing an additional source of carbohydrates. It's an excellent pre-workout meal option. Number 6. Guava. Many of you might not have known this because no one told you, but I'm going to tell you now. First, leave a comment about which of these foods you regularly use in your diet. I'll respond to all the comments on this video. Let's go! Guava is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which are important for immune function and muscle recovery after workouts. It also provides complex carbohydrates that help maintain sustained energy levels during exercise. That's why I always recommend consuming it before your workout at the gym. Eat about 2 guavas approximately 30 minutes before starting your exercises. Guava is high in vitamin C, which also contributes to collagen synthesis, important for the health of connective tissues in your muscles. Before we continue, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any videos, and give this video a like to let us know you enjoyed this topic. Number 5. Almond butter. Almond butter is an excellent source of protein, healthy fats, and magnesium. These nutrients are essential for muscle recovery and strength gain during heavier workouts. Additionally, it is rich in vitamin E, which has antioxidant properties that help protect muscles from damage during exercise, reducing risks related to joints and bruises. Magnesium also helps maintain muscle function and reduce cramps. I recommend using almond butter mixed with oats, yogurt, or as a base for sauces. This food, combined with a bit of honey and cinnamon, turns almond butter into a tasty and healthy post-workout snack. Number 4. Purple potato. Purple potato is rich in antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which help combat oxidative stress and muscle inflammation resulting from intense and prolonged workouts. In addition to helping reduce inflammation and muscle fatigue, purple potato improves muscle recovery and overall muscle health. It is an excellent source of complex carbohydrates that provide energy to maintain performance during workouts. That's why I recommend consuming purple potato before workouts, as it will give you extra energy to complete your sets and help keep you satisfied before exercise. Eat the potato about 1 hour before your workout for the best results. The antioxidants also contribute to cellular health and post-workout recovery. Number 3. Sardines. Sardines are an excellent source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, as well as being rich in vitamins D and B12, which are crucial for muscle gain and recovery and significantly aid in your body's muscle strength. These nutrients found in sardines are essential for bone and muscle health, helping to improve strength, promote muscle recovery after workouts, and support recovery throughout the day. They also have anti-inflammatory properties that are beneficial for post-workout recovery, especially after heavy and long-duration workouts that increase muscle fatigue. The omega-3 in sardines contributes to reducing inflammation and supporting cardiovascular health. For the best results, you can consume sardines with a source of carbohydrates, such as rice and sweet potatoes, to maximize their benefits. Number 2. Red quinoa. Red quinoa is a protein and fiber-rich alternative with a more robust flavor and crunchy texture compared to the traditional quinoa we buy in the United States. It provides essential amino acids and is ideal for supporting muscle recovery and body growth. Additionally, if you have gluten intolerance, this is a great option, as red quinoa is gluten-free and provides iron and zinc, which are important for your body's muscle function. A tip is to prepare red quinoa as a side dish for your meals or use it as a base for salads, especially after workouts. We've reached our number of simple foods that will make your body gain volume faster. I guarantee it will surprise you. Let's go! Number 1. Buffalo. Buffalo meat is a lean alternative to beef, with a nutritional profile that includes high-quality protein, iron, and zinc. Well known here in the United States for its flavor and high quality, buffalo meat is an excellent option for promoting muscle growth without the saturated fat found in some red meats. Unlike cuts of beef like ribs, sirloin, and ribeye, which have significant amounts of saturated fat, buffalo meat is easier to digest and has fewer saturated calories, contributing to muscle strength and lean muscle mass gain. This makes it ideal for a muscle-building and weight control diet. You can use buffalo meat in burgers or healthy patties, combining it with greens and whole grain bread for a protein-rich meal. Now, click on the video appearing on your screen to continue our conversation. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you!